So guys, 80% of altcoin and meme coin and crypto coins have actually done over 100 to 200% in the last 3 days. Okay, and the reason why all these coins you are seeing here, they are doing absolutely very powerful, okay, is because of Trump tweet over crypto, okay, cryptocurrency. So, and a lot of tokens have been doing wonderfully well. If you take a look at this particular place, from this particular place down, now you see all these things are just altcoins, okay. These are just meme coins. They are not actually those big coins you know about it. And if you actually want to make money from meme coin, this is actually where you're gonna start from. But that's not the reason why we are here today, okay. So we are gonna be talking about arbitrage opportunity, okay. But if you really want to make a huge money from the market, this is what you actually need to do, okay. You need to find all this coin. You can do this on Binance or meme, on Bybit or Mexi, okay. Let me show you over here so you can understand. So over here, this is my Mexi, okay. You can see that a lot of coins have done a lot massively. Oh, not just talking about this top gainer. Let me show you over here. I bought this particular coin called Todd, okay. This is Todd. I actually bought this Todd from 3.5 million market cap, okay. That is 0.0035, okay. And this particular coin went to almost over here, it went to almost 10 million market cap. That's 0.01. So we actually made 3x from this particular coin, but we normally count it from where we bought and where we sold. So I only made 1x from this particular, sorry, that's 2x, okay, double of my money. So in this particular place, you can actually start buying all this coin with as low as just 5 USDT when you have actually made a lot of money from arbitrage. So what you need to do is to share the money, okay. If you have made in a week, you have made 50 USDT, you bring out 25 USDT or 20 USDT, okay. So what you do with this 20 USDT is you divide it into 4, okay. When you divide it into 4, look for new tokens, okay. You are not really holding them for too long, okay. You are just holding them for 1 week to 2 weeks, because all these new listed coin, they are not really gonna last for long, okay. They are not a good coin. They are just gonna die. We call it slow mover. So okay, also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This thing I'm sharing with you guys here is what I actually do on daily basis to make money from the market, okay. So do your own due diligence before you start. You can join my group, okay. I have a VIP group where I normally send signals on daily basis, so you can use those signals to leverage and make money. And if you want to learn arbitrage, what you need to do is to join my class. I have a class where I actually teach you arbitrage, okay, and it's not for free, okay. It's not for free. Once you join, I teach you how to make money from the market, okay. So when you now make money from arbitrage or P2P market, the next thing for you to do is to do what? To use the gain you make, share it into trade. Then you start this particular one. I'm sharing with you guys first, okay. You can actually make 2, 3, 4, 5x on it. Then just focus. Once you make the profit, you keep the profit, okay. You don't go out sharing the money, so you just compound it over time, okay. So what we are here to do today is arbitrage, okay. So if you want to learn more about this, my contact is on your screen right now, so you can actually use it to send me a message if you want to get started, okay. So the coin which I actually want us to use for today trading is actually this particular token that was just listed. So if you take a look at this particular coin here, which is deep. Okay, what we are actually doing here is that we are actually buying from this particular place. Okay, so this is the price which we really gonna be buying this particular token here, okay, which is deep. Okay, so now when we buy this particular token here, we're really gonna be going over to Bybit to sell this particular token. Okay, so now, and to see the price range, actually then sell it over there. Okay, so and see how much we really stand to be making. So what I'm gonna be doing is to copy this particular amount over here. Okay, and also remember, if you actually want to be getting this kind of signals on daily basis, what you need to do is to join my VIP group, where you really stand to be getting daily signals, okay, for this kind of trade. And also remember, if you doesn't know how to trade coin arbitrage, okay, first of all, what you need to do is to join my class. Okay, so I can teach you how to actually spot this particular opportunity and how to carry it out, okay, with automated bots, so that it will be more faster for you to buy it and for you to do what, to sell it back. Okay, this is the profitable new method which you can actually use to make a whole lot of money. So let's go and see the how much we're really gonna be selling this particular token. Remember, we bought with 100 USDT, and this is the amount we got, which is here. Then this is the price which we bought it from, okay, which is over here. You can see that this is, we bought this price, then with this amount, and at 0.0140. okay, so let's go to the Bybit and see how much Bybit is actually selling this token right now. Okay, so if you take a look at deep here in Bybit, you see that deep is selling for 0.0143. okay, so this is what we actually gonna be focusing our attention with. Okay, you can see the price, which is 0.0143. okay, so this is where the opportunity comes. Okay, you can see it here is selling at 0.0143. okay, which is the buying is also at 0. This is actually how you can be profitable in a wrong run. Okay, this is how much we bought this particular deep, okay, times how many pieces we just copied. Okay, so you can see this is 90, let's say there is 7 here. Okay, so this is 7,000 pieces of this particular deep. Okay, now Bybit is selling the same token at 0.0143. okay, so if you take a look at it now, the profit margin here is 1.94%. okay, let's say over here. So this is actually $2. okay, now let me shock you one powerful secret about it is that you can do this thing over and over and over again. You can do it up to if you can do it up to 20 times in a day, that's 40 USDT. If you can do it up to 10 times, that's 20 USDT. But recently there is a particular strategy which we are using, which is to use bot. Okay, there is a bot that buy and sell very fast and automatically for you. Okay, so for you to get access to that particular bot, you need to join my VIP group, and for you to join my VIP group, it costs you some little token. So you can send me a message on WhatsApp if you want to get started.